So guys, welcome back to the channel, and following up from my recent sleep study, the doctor said I have sleep apnea. So big guys, the bigger you are, more likely you get sleep apnea. So I'm joining the CPAP club. So today I'm going to be reviewing, unboxing a CPAP machine that I've just gotten, right? Stay tuned. So the ResVent Air Mini is a good system, but it is small. It doesn't have a humidifier. And the Air 11 is big, right? It's not very portable. It's a bit bulky. So I was looking for something in between until I found this guy on YouTube, and he recommended this machine. It's the Ibreeze. Right there. All right. And I managed to find a supplier in Singapore to sell me one. And yes, you need a doctor's prescription so that he knows what settings to put into the machine. So let's do an unboxing, shall we? Okay. Comes in a box like this. You're looking at about $1,700, $1,800, less than $2,000 for a machine like this. They do have the standard home-based models, but as I mentioned, I do travel a lot and I need a travel size machine. Out of the box. All right, check it out. Oops. Let's put that away. There you go. It comes in a travel case like this. This is just the case, transport case, if you may. If you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's because I have really hairy hands, right? And a lot of you guys have commented, man, he has hairy hands. So to prevent any distractions, I'm wearing gloves. This is for you guys. Anyway. Okay, out of the box, we have a small travel pouch. You've got some paperwork here. I think this is extra filters for the machine. You got a manual there. There's a bunch of hoses. Okay. This one is a muffler. You got the body. And I'm guessing, all right, check it out. This is the CPAP machine itself. It comes in the travel case. So when I'm flying, I don't need to carry that with me. I only carry this. And look, it's about the same size as my palm, right? There we go. This is the machine itself. And we got more hoses. I think this is a spare connector. I'm assuming this is the heated hose. Yes, this is the heated hose, and that's a non-heated hose. So for traveling, use this. So I'll put this on this side, and this I put it on this side. Just let me make things a bit neater. There you go. And power cord. Okay, let me put this away. I don't need that. So let's put this thing together. I think I will go through the normal setup first. That means the full setup. I bought a, this is a Dream Wisp, Philips Dream Wisp nasal mask. And that goes around my nose and as a head connector. I've also went through and tried different masks. You know, the nasal pillow, the nasal ones, the full face mask. I found this the most comfortable for me. I don't know, these things are expensive. This cost me $200. Oh well. Yep, I'll open this later. So the machine kind of clips inside here like that. And this is a water tank. I'll put some water in this right now. I think there is a thing at the back. Like that. There we go. And this one clips here. And this wire comes here. Like that. There we go. And it detects and says heat tube connected. Okay. Now we have heat tube there. There is no on or off button. As soon as power is supplied, it turns on. This is the air supply button, if you will. And this thing plugs in here. Okay, I don't need this. Oh my gosh, it looks so funny. Okay, one thing I noticed is that I think auto start is on. So as soon as I put it on, the air starts blowing in through my nose and I start sounding really funny. But this is a mic. As you can hear, it's really, really silent. Almost no sound at all. See? Now let me stop this. Okay. Right, it's turned off now. It's turned off now. Okay. So that is the full setup. Now I'm going to take it apart and set it up for travel. So to do so, just take that one out. Okay. This one winds up like that. Take out the power. And then there is a button on the side right there. Okay, and you press the button and you just pull it out. Okay, so this stays at home. You can keep all this stuff in the bag at home and then just bring this with you. The same thing, this extra wire. So there is a battery, and unfortunately the guys in Singapore do not have it in stock, so I might need to wait for the battery to come, but you can still power it via the power cord. Okay, same thing, that the power connection is now in front, right there. You plug it in. And it comes with a muffler, so you put the muffler on top as well. Let's get rid of this. This does not have a heated tube connection, so you go with the travel tube. Anyway, this feels a lot lighter than the heated tube, so I guess it's a weight bonus as well. There's no head and tail, so I think we just go with one, like that. And then this connects to the top. Mask. Power on. It's loading. There we go. Okay, a deep breath. It starts the machine, look at that. So you can see after a while, the screen turns off. That's really great. I don't like LEDs in my room, so I can hear a bit of sound as I'm breathing here. This tube is slightly noisier than the heated tube, but I guess it's fine as well. So yeah, I guess that's it, you know. And if I'm gonna travel, so I'll probably take this out. Over here, I've got the mask. Okay. All this, oops. I'm guessing that all this should fit inside here. This little pencil case thing. This should be the travel bag there. Okay, that's one. Okay, I'm hoping that the power cord can fit in as well. You know, I like to keep things nice and tight. Power cord goes in as well. That's good. And last but not least, can the mask go in? And the answer is yes. So that's the accessory pouch. That is the machine. There you go. So if you have any questions, leave a message in the description down below. I try to answer all your messages. And yeah, if you're worried about CPAP, I am too. I'm new to this. Okay, I'm looking for all your support and all your encouragement to carry on with this treatment and hopefully improves my life. Right? Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.